Okay guys, so we're in Thundercats today. This is pub and diner, American kind of style place. It's really kind of cool. We have two stalls in here, one there. Mirrors there, fine, fairly clean. Baby changing facilities, standing urinals, another cubicle as well. Funky bit of graffiti, especially on the back of the door. Oh, and there's somebody's put a nice Pooh Bear sticker. Overall cleanliness, definitely 2 Pooh star rating. Toilet paper is 1 ply sadly. But please remember and like and subscribe to my channel folks. Take care guys.